In a statement titled Prisoner of Conscience on Hunger Strike, Amnesty International expressed great concerns about the deteriorating health condition of Saeed Hossein Zadeh, a children's rights activist who is currently in Section 7 of Evin Prison. On Friday, the 11th of March 2016, Ahmed Shahid, the United Nations Special Rapporteur on the Situation of Human Rights in Iran, in his 11th report to the United Nations Human Rights Council, stated that the Islamic Republic of Iran has had the highest number of executions for the past 10 years. According to the latest reports by the United Nations Secretary-General on the situation of human rights in Iran, the officials of the Islamic Republic of Iran have confirmed the virginity test of Artene Farakhdani will take place. Prison officials have justified this decision to be in response to some allegations of her being sexually abused. A number of women from the women's section of Evin Prison held an event to celebrate International Women's Day.
In contrary to the principle of religious freedom and equality under the law, the Chief Justice of the Judiciary issued a conditional release verdict for a prisoner and stated that this prisoner may be released 3 years before his sentence ends, given that he regularly attends mosques in order to pray. Nazok Afshar, an Iranian former employee of the French embassy in Tehran, was arrested at the airport upon her arrival in Iran. On Saturday, the 12th of March 2016, 2 civil rights and social activists by the names of Puriya Ebrahimi and Shukufe Azar Masouleh were sentenced to 2 years imprisonment, 5 years suspended sentence, and 30 lashes by the Revolutionary Court on charges of propaganda against the Islamic Republic of Iran by acting in favor of the so-called human rights organizations and institutions and disturbing the public order and peace by participating in illegal protests. A spokesman for the police force, during a report regarding the 175 arrested individuals under the title of bandits, announced about the arrest of 110 individuals on charges of being anti-revolutionary elements in the year 2015. Reportedly, Omid Rahmani and Rasul Shokri, 2 individuals who were sent to the Urumia prison on financial charges, were both chained to the doors of the solitary confinement by the prison authorities as a lesson for other prisoners, due to them attempting to go on a hunger strike. Mohsen Shoja, civil rights activist, and one of the people who were arrested during the protest in front of the Evin prison, introduced himself to the Evin prison in order to serve his 91 days imprisonment sentence. Judges of the Supreme Court, after reviewing a criminal case of a young boy, confirmed the issuance of his sentence to have his eyes gouged out.
Three political prisoners by the names of Mohammad Hossein Rezai, Kamal Sharifi, and Afshin Sohrabzadeh, currently imprisoned in the Maynab prison in the Hormozgan province, were sentenced to 45, 30, and 25 years respectively. Ruhiya Safaju, a young Baha'i, during her national entrance examination in 2014 and 2015, was prevented from carrying on her university studies due to being a Baha'i, and she, along with 2 other Baha'i girls, were interrogated in Evin prison. The relatives of Ruhiyyeh Safaju said that she was recently arrested due to taking legal proceedings and writing letters to law enforcement institutions in order to defend her right to carry on with her education. 3 Gonabadi dervishes by the names of Ibrahim Fazli, Muhammad Ali Saadi, and Ashqa Karimi, who were shot by the security forces in an incident that took place 5 years ago in the city of Kavar, were arrested again and transferred to the Adel Abad prison.
The chief of Gilan's cyber police announced that 3 people accused of spreading lies and false news on the internet have been arrested. Officials of the Mina prison continue to disagree with the medical leave of Afshin Sohrabzadeh, a political prisoner exiled to the Mina prison who suffers from colon cancer and respiratory problems.